Nothing else?
We could go up this river for hours.
Oh. Oh, God.
We don't need to go that far, okay?
Okay.
There's one to show it to you.
Oh, there is somebody fishing there. There is somebody there also.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Log in the water.
It's a, what is that? For the boat.
Boat launch?
Yeah. There. Oh, look at that. And there's the 2 truck. Even 3 truck. Yeah. See, they have boat. The other one have boat. There. Oh, the other one is fishing. Look at that. They have fire.
You got a campfire?
Yeah.
Good.
There. Ah. Yeah. Para kaming ano. Hi, baby. Wave there.
There we are.
Swing bridge. Let's go home. Hindi kami nakahuli ng isda. Nagano lang kami. Namamasyal. Oh, andito kami sa Tilbury. Ayan. Kasi sa Monday, busy na naman ulit. Kaya ito kami namamasyal. Good ride. Ayun yung aking. Oh. Love you too, baby. And ang aking captain. My captain. Dito kami sa Tilbury. Tayo. Good ride lang kami. Wala kaming nahuling isda. Ang layo pa ng dinayo namin. Nagbiyahe kami ng 2.5 oras pala. 2 oras ang biyahe namin. Wala kaming nahuling isda. Kaya pauwi na kami at saka ano din yung panahon, maulan. Ano? Makulit din pala, hindi pala maulan. Kaya pauwi na kami, malapit na kami sa ano. River daw nila to eh. Parang, ewan ko ba. No comment na lang ako. Yan. Bahay. Tabi ng ilog. Ayoko dito Yung sasakyan pala namin, akala ko may ano. Ayan, dito na kami sa Daungan. Doon kami galing.
Isn't that crazy? It was raining out there. It's not raining here.
Yeah. Maybe they catch a lot of fish here. In the dock. Yeah. Free kasi yung ano dito eh. Yung launching boat. Oh, one moment, baby. There is boat.
You will just hang on to this ladder, okay?
Okay. Ang stubborn kong asawa, oh. Pasaway talaga. Hindi niya kasi pinatay. What are you doing? I think you don't need to finish
What do you think?
the gas there.
It should run out, shouldn't it?
Just leave it like that.
What?
Just leave it like that. Sige, tignan natin. Sige.
Yeah, I had to come in there and get your shoes.
Yeah. What you doing?
Taking my picture. You think you're gonna put it on YouTube when I fall?
Because you're stubborn. Sige.
Somebody should tighten that.
Be
tire
careful, be careful. Oh my goodness.
up.
I don't meet any person that's stubborn like you.
Yeah.
No.
Help, I'm falling. I can't get up.
Pasaway. Ayan. Ang dumi ng tubig, oh. Not like doon sa amin banda. Malinis. Dito ang dumi. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Ang daming nangingisda doon sa ano, dito sa here. Ayan. Iaahon na niya. Ayan. Living. Nakaboots ako. Kasi ang lamig ng tubig. Malamig ang tubig.